let's code this product card. So the image is kind of zooming. We can select color, we can select size, we have features and stuff. The image is zooming out as we select these features, and we have add to cart. If you need e-commerce development coding services, check my portfolio and check my contact below. This blue background outside is just one div, ignore everything else. And then this component is just this component. All of the other components are different tutorials. So let's code this component. Let's start by saying use client because I'm using NextJS. You can find this component in my GitHub. So this is in components folder, and make sure to find this exact component, summer polo product card. Other components are for different tutorials, but you need just this one. And images that we will use you can also find in public, and just find the image that you see. It's summer polo, this one. So everything is in my GitHub. So you're gonna need card, button, accordion. So you're gonna need these three from ShadCN. Go to just Google ShadCN UI, click installation, NextJS or whatever your framework. Install this, press yes to everything. Then go here to the button, install this, and find accordion and find card and install both. Just this. And you will have them. So these are icons. Okay, so product. We're gonna make some placeholder product. Name, brand, price, rating, reviews, image. You're gonna need this image. This is in public folder. Description, features, colors, sizes, and care. Let's continue. Make the component. Selected color, selected size. Set default color to the first one. Set default size to the second one. Return. So the card from ShadCN. Div. So image. Let me see if I put this image, will we see anything? We don't see anything. It's just a small dot in the middle because this image doesn't have any size. It's gonna respond to the size of the other components. Div below. What does this do? I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure what this does. It's absolutely positioned div. Okay, we'll see maybe later. And then div below everything. Div inside and then title. So if I save this, we will immediately see something. This is the product brand, not title. And below that, product name. So we have something now. And then we have div, another div. These are gonna be stars, so make an array of 5 objects. And make the stars, but stars that, so if rating is 4, then the first 4 stars will be filled, and the 5th one will have just a stroke outside, like this. Let's continue. So add this below, reviews, and let's continue below with paragraph, description. And if I save this, we're gonna have this reviews and then description below. Let's continue. Div. This is color, so we are selecting color. Div. Let's map colors. What did I do? Let's map colors and then button. So we're gonna have key and then class names. So if the color is selected, we're gonna put a ring around it, or if it's not selected, we're not gonna put anything. You can say hover scale 110, but it's okay. You don't need to do this. Ignore what I said. So just make sure these are backticks here. This is not normal quotes. Backtick, so you are able to do this. Below that, style will have this color, so background will be this color that we are mapping. And on click, set selected color to this color, and title will be so we can select these colors. And then let's continue. Below everything, we're gonna add size selection, div. and then product. So let's map sizes, and then button. So we are gonna, for each size, we're gonna have a button and variant. So if it's selected, it will be default. If it's not selected, it's gonna be outline. And then on click set selected size. And this is the class names. And then type in size. So this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna have these sizes, and if it's selected, we're gonna have this default look, otherwise outline. Let's go below. Accordion. It's gonna be collapsible. So item features, we're gonna have title or trigger features, content, list, unordered list. So map features and just display them. So this is gonna be accordion. I can expand. Below that, we didn't add anything here, just this one. Accordion item, in care instructions, accordion content, product care. So I think this is it, but we're gonna have a div at the end, another div, and that will be price. And we're gonna have shirt, star, ruler. These are all just some icons. And then below the button for the buy now, add to cart, that is. So this is it, we finished. We have this add to cart button. Let me reset the size. You can make this a bit smaller if you want in the code. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce coding development services, check my portfolio and contact below. See you in the next video.